Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a beautiful 2011 Harley Davidson Road King Classic that I want to show you. Vivid black and chrome, just don't get any better than that. Trimmed out with a silver stripe or double stripes. Looks really nice, good tires on it, white wall tires, wire spoke rims, comes as factory standard on these bikes. Dual front disc brakes. Front forks look real good on it, all the aluminum, chrome. It's had an engine guard added to it. Got a nice heavy duty oil cooler on it down there. Comes with a 103 motor and a 6-speed. Upgraded hand grips. Road King Classic has electronic cruise control as well, which really makes it nice out on the road on a trip. The hard leather molded bags. There's a couple of little scuffs on them, not anything really bad. They still look really good. Got the docking hardware here for a backrest or detachable tour pack, either one. The tire on the rear. All the paint looks good back here. Looks like there might be a little bump on that too. I'm thinking that may be where, because it's on the same place on both bags, I'm thinking it may be when the lid's open, it may be bumping that or something. But they're not all scarred and scuffed up. It's in really nice shape. Don't see any rock pecks up here on the front of the tank or the front of the fender. Usually there's going to be some of those show up on the front of the bike, but this one looks really good. Got a detachable windshield on it. Really like the badging on this. Got the V in it. Very nice. This bike's only got 4,611 miles on it. See the brake signal flashing there? That means it's got anti-lock brakes on it. Let me make sure of that. Yep. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. There's a train going by right now, so I don't know how well you'll be able to hear it. Got the factory exhaust on it, so it's not real loud. It does have a nice rumble to it. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike went through our shop and was checked out, and she's ready to ride. All right, the train just finished going by, so let's fire it off again. Got a lot of good finance options on this bike, a lot of good warranty options. And we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this beautiful Road King Classic delivered right into your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.